So in this step-by-step tutorial guys, I'm going to be showing you how you could go on from making $0 in revenue to making up to $500 with CPA marketing just by using free traffic methods. So you want to just simply go on to watching this video, stick until the end, learn this simple strategy and actually go on to utilizing this to make money right here on CPA Grip. And guys, basically you want to just simply head onto the CPA Grip platform and just go on to registering for a CPA Grip account right now. You can actually click on register. If you do click on that, you should be brought to this page right here where you want to just simply fill out this form appropriately right now. You want to focus more on the fields with these red asterisk signs, and if you do fill out these sections right here, you want to fill out your city, your state / region, the zip code, the phone number. Just simply provide these basic details right now. And once you do that guys, you could read through the terms of services by clicking on this section. Agree to the terms of services by checking these boxes right now, and you can then just simply create your CPA Grip account right here. But before we dive further into today's video guys, if you're actually new to my channel, I basically create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online with the use of other AI tools. So if you do like such content, make sure you do go onto my channel, scroll through my channel, and you'll be able to see a lot of cool content and videos that could be helpful to you in boosting your income online. With that being said, let's jump right back into today's video. So basically guys, if you do go on to logging into your account right in here, as you can see right now, I'm logged back into my account. You want to just simply head onto this section, click on offer tools, and you want to click on my offers to actually go on to seeing a lot of CPA marketing offers which you could go on to promoting. And basically I do prefer promoting offers to the United States right here because they are actually a very good top tier country that you can actually do go on to utilizing to drive traffic to and start earning some cool cash right now. But you can actually do go on to promoting your offers to any other country of your choice. As you can see, the countries are quite numerous right here. Select one suitable to you and actually go on to promoting offers from that country. As you can actually do see right here guys, that these offers are actually offers available to the United States. This one right here is a mobile install offer for the Dev Ad AI app. This is for the Atapul app, and the list keep going on and on. And if you want to filter your offers right here, maybe you could filter based on payout. If you do click on payout right now, it's going to show you the highest paying offers to the lowest paying offers. These are actually the highest paying offers, which is for you to go on to installing and using the NOAA weather app right now, and you do get paid $1.71 for every successful lead which you do drive to this particular offer right now. You can see other kinds of offers right here, such as the email and zip submit offer, where your leads actually need to go on to submitting their email address or zip code while going through a survey using your unique affiliate link, and you get paid for $1.45. So the list keep going on and on and on. So you want to just simply make up your mind that you want to just simply go on to selecting a particular offer, and I advise you to go on to selecting a kind of sweepstake offer, which is a kind of giveaway offer that you are actually going to be giving a form of incentive to your leads right now for them to go on to providing you their basic details, which you do go on to earning money right here on this platform. As you can see right now guys, that this is actually a giveaway offer for your leads to actually stand the chance of winning $25,000 in cash right now. And if you do go on to checking out more details, you will find out that this particular offer is available for you people in the United States. They actually have to use their Apple iOS devices to complete this offer, and they just need to submit their email address and zip code while going through a simple survey using this link right here, which is your unique affiliate link, and you do get paid $1.15 for every successful lead which you do drive to this offer. And they also stand a chance of winning this particular amount right here. So this is an example of a very cool offer which you could go on to promoting right now. So if you do click on copy link, you can actually do head on to creating a simple landing page right there, because it is quite important to go on to creating landing pages right now, as landing pages actually help boost in the professionality of your CPA marketing strategy right now, and it actually helps your audience to actually know that they are actually following the right path by clicking on that particular link to your landing page right there. So what you want to do is to head on to any landing page builder site out there. As you can see, this one right here is a very simple landing page builder site called the Linktree, where you could actually do go on to creating a simple Linktree right now, and with Linktree you can actually represent multiple links with just a single link right here. As you can see, this is how it's actually going to look like right now. Multiple links are going to be represented with just one link. And if you can actually take advantage of this other platform right here called the bio.link. Is actually do similar to that particular link tree right there, where you could also go on to using a single link to represent multiple links right now. And you can then just simply use such platforms to promote multiple CPA marketing offers, list multiple CPA marketing offers on such platforms, and use that as a form of landing page. You could also go onto sites like the Google site right here to actually go into creating a landing page right now. There are lots of numerous landing page builder sites out there. There are kinds of sites like the breezy.io, the systemy.io, the warrior plus, and a lot more other landing page builder sites out there. So if you do focus on any one of these, just simply go to creating a simple landing page. You want to make sure you make your landing page quite neat and simple. So if I do go to create and opening one of the landing pages which I actually created right here, you can see how this landing page actually looks quite simple right in here. So basically what you want to do, if I do go to copy the link to this particular landing page right now, so once I copy that, I'm going to head on to a new tab, and in that new tab I'm going to paste in that link, and you're going to just simply go on to seeing how simple this landing page looks like. So this is how simple the landing page actually goes on to looking like right now. So you could see, don't make sure you do go on to making a landing page, but make it simple right there. And once you do that, guys, the particular platform which we're actually going to be using to drive traffic to our CPA marketing offer, we will be this particular platform right here, which is actually called the Pinterest.com. And this is actually an amazing platform you could go on to utilizing right now, as a lot of people are actually engaging on this platform. And if I actually do go on to analyzing this particular platform called Pinterest, based on the similar web statistics, you will actually do find out that Pinterest actually do get about 1 billion visits every single month right here. As you can see, this is the amount of visits it got in the last 28 days, which is actually quite large right there. And if you do keep on scrolling, you'll be able to see the top countries that visit that site the most, which is actually the United States right here. The United States has a significant amount of 38% right now of this website traffic, which is why it's actually quite advisable for you to go on to promoting your CPA marketing offers from the United States to platforms like Pinterest right now. So if you do go on to using this platform, you can actually do see right here that you can actually go on to promoting your CPA marketing offer with this platform. All you actually have to do is to come right here, click on create. You want to click on create pin, and if you do come right here, you want to just simply add in a cool image that is actually going to go on to attracting your audience right there. And you want to also go on to add in a simple title, a simple description, and right here this is a destination link where you can actually do go on to add in a simple link right there to your landing page which you were creating earlier right now. Or you could just simply use your CPA marketing offer, but it's not quite advisable that you do go on to using your CPA marketing offer link directly, which is why you want to just simply go on to creating a landing page first. And for the image right here, which we are actually going to be using on Pinterest, you want to just simply head on to platforms like Canva right now. If you do head on to Canva, you can just simply come right here and search for something like Pinterest pin. And if I do search for the Pinterest pin right now, you'll be able to go on to seeing a lot of Pinterest templates right now, which you could actually do take advantage of. So the templates are quite numerous. Take advantage of one of these templates, create a simple and cool thumbnail right now, or Pinterest pin right there after editing that, and just simply use that in this section to drive traffic to that particular link which you're actually going to be using in the bio of your account right there. So use this right here. You could also get ideas right now with the help of a very simple AI tool called ChatGPT right here, as this AI can actually do help you go on to getting some cool ideas which you can actually do use for your Pinterest pin. Incorporate that into your Pinterest pin and actually use that to go on to earning some cool cash right now with CPA marketing. You could also go on to utilizing this particular platform, which is the Instagram, and make use of Instagram theme pages properly, as these are actually a very cool strategy right now. As you can see, this person is actually promoting a link right now in the bio of his account. you would also follow the same similar strategy. Make sure that the link right there in the bio of your account is actually the exact same one right there for your CPA marketing offers right now. And you can actually go on to taking out much of your time, create your bio, create an account that actually feeds that niche which you want to focus on, and actually go on to uploading some cool content right here. As you can see, this person actually uploads videos or images, quite cool images right now. You can actually go on to getting cool images online and just simply use ChatGPT to go on to generating quotes which you can actually add on such images. And if you do that right now, you could then just simply head back to Pinterest and actually go on to the Instagram team page right now, and actually go on to uploading that right here in such sections right now. And if you do upload that in such section and it actually start getting a lot of engagement, you can actually start making some cool cash doing so, even as a beginner in the year 2023 and beyond. But if you're actually going to be using someone's content, make sure you go on to giving them the credit to their content right there, so as not to actually fall a victim of the copyright law right now. So just simply use this simple strategy and actually start making money online. So this is actually an overview of strategies on how you could make money online with CPA marketing, and how I actually went on to making $0, $500 right now with CPA marketing from just $0 in the year 2023 and beyond. And I do hope this video was helpful. If yes, make sure you do smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ensure notification bell is turned on all. If you do have any particular question to ask, just simply leave that in the comment section down below. So see you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.